lunchtime to play Kahoot. Teachers will have this Zoom up so you can see the question. We'll see you then. Distribute a list for you guys to finish. You will have Monday till Wednesday to do this. There will be information at the top of the page and right here as to where to send them, which is either our Instagram or my email.
During Unity Week, we're excited to bring you some teacher tips. Every day during fourth period, you're going to hear from a different teacher on our staff, and they will be giving you tips for how to be a good friend, how to be positive, how to deal with stress, whatever they feel inspired to share with you. Enjoy.